Hi, I'm Zoe Walters. I'm an Associate Professor at the University of Southampton.
You've recently completed a fellowship. Can you explain what that is?
So a fellowship allows funding for your own personal research, but also provides a stepping stone to go from working in somebody else's team to forming your own team. I started my fellowship in 2015. That was at the Institute of Cancer Research. Children with Cancer UK allowed me to bring my fellowship here to Southampton with me. And since then, I have set up what's called the Innovation for Translation Research Group. So this is our lab. So here we have all sorts of different setups for the types of experiments that we do. The team is really quite large, so we have 3 or 4 postdocs, we have 5 or 6 PhD students, we have a number of clinical academics, all aimed at finding better, less harmful treatments for patients. Carmen, my postdoc here, is doing some pipetting, so pipetting some samples into tubes.
Tell us what your subject was for your fellowship.
So for my fellowship, I looked at whether a new drug that was in use for other adult cancers could potentially be used to treat rhabdomyosarcomas. What we're now starting to realise is that the drug might actually help reawaken the immune system in patients, so that we might be able to use the patient's own immune system to help fight the cancer, and then also have memory of that, so the body will remember and it will stop the cancer coming back. And that's the ultimate hope for this particular drug. So in here we have what we call the drop-seq rig. The drop-seq allows us to split the cells into the single cell, so we can understand which gene signal has come from an immune cell and which one's come from a tumour cell. We've used this now for a number of publications. We have published the work from my fellowship in a journal called the Clinical Epigenetics Journal. So here's the publication from the work from the fellowship. What's really important about a publication is that it's peer-reviewed, so it means that other scientists have looked at your work and have scrutinised your work and said, yes, this is really robust and we think that the world needs to know about this. And so it's a really key output from the fellowship.
You must be incredibly proud of everything that you've achieved here.
Very, very proud. It's all thanks to the fellowship that Children with Cancer UK provided me with that's facilitated all of this.
It's almost indescribable. To get this funding, to be able to make that first step on the journey was life-changing, honestly. It sounds like a cliche, but it's not. It really was life-changing. It was the thing that allowed me to pursue my dream. I just want to say a massive thank you to everybody who has done, is thinking about, or is in any way connected with Children with Cancer UK. Without your support and generosity and funding, we wouldn't be able to do this type of work, and we wouldn't be able to find new, better, less harmful treatments for these patients.